multiplication of rational number. The product of two rational numbers is defined below. Product of two rational number equal to product of their numerators upon product of their denominators. Thus, for any rational number a upon b and c upon d, we have a upon b into c upon d equal to a into c upon b into d equal to ac upon bd. Now examples. First, 3 upon 4 by 5 upon 7. According to rule, 3 upon 4 multiply 5 upon 7 equal to 3 into 5 upon 4 into 7 equal to 5 3 is 15 upon 28. The second example is minus 2 upon 3 into 6 upon 7 equal to, numerator is minus 2 and 6. So we write minus 2 into 6 upon denominator 3 into 7. Numerator and denominator 3 to the 6. It is cancelled by 2 times. So the product of numerator is minus 4 and denominator is 7 equal to minus 4 upon 7. The third example is minus third example is minus 8 upon 13 into 39 upon minus 4. Here we see that in the second term, minus is denominator. First we convert 39 upon minus 4 in standard form. In standard form, the denominator is be always positive. So 39 upon minus 4 equal to 39 into minus 1 upon minus 4 into minus 1 equal to minus 39 upon 4. Now minus 8 upon 13 into 39 upon minus 4 equal to minus 8 upon 13 into minus 39 upon 4. Product of two negative integers is always positive. So we write 8 into 39 upon 13 into 4. Cancel the numbers. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8 and 13 1 ja 13, 13 3 ja 19. We get product of numerator 6 and denominator 1 equal to 6 upon 1, that is 6. Example 2. Simplify minus 32 into minus 7 upon 36. Here we write minus 32 into minus 7 upon 36 equal to minus 32 upon 1 into minus 7 upon 36 equal to 32 into 7 upon 36. We see that here the numerator and denominator 32 and 36 divisible by 4. 4 8 ja 32 and 4 9 ja 36 equal to 56 upon 9, and we can also write it as in whole number 6 whole 2 upon 9. The second question is 13 upon 8 multiply 12 upon 13 bracket close plus bracket minus 4 upon 9 into 3 upon minus 2. We can write it 13 upon 8 into 12 upon 13 plus minus 4 upon 9 into minus 3 upon 2 in a standard form. Here we cancel the denominator and numerator by 4. 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 13 1 ja 13. We get 3 upon 2 plus 4 into 3 upon 9 into 2. 3 3 ja 9, 2 4 ja 2 2 ja 4 equal to 3 upon 2 plus 2 upon 3. The denominator are different, so we take the LCM of 2 and 3, that is 6. So 6, 2 3 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9 plus 3 2 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4 equal to 9 plus 4 upon 6 equal to 13 upon 6. Division of rational number. If A upon B and C upon D are two rational numbers such that C upon D is not equal to 0, then we define A upon B divides C upon D equal to A upon B into divide change into multiply. We take the reciprocal of the right hand rational number. So A upon B multiply reciprocal of C upon D equal to A upon B into D upon C equal to AD upon BC. We apply the rules in all the solutions. Example, find the multiplicative inverse of each of the following. Find the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of each of the following. 9. First is 9. Reciprocal of 9 equal to 1 upon 9. Because we can write 9 as 9 upon 1. Second, minus 7. Reciprocal of minus 7 is minus 1 upon 7. Reciprocal of 13 upon 25 equal to 25 upon 13. And reciprocal of minus 3 upon minus 5 equal to, here the numerator and denominator both are negative, so it changes into positive form, equal to 5 upon 3. And reciprocal of minus 1 equal to minus 1. Example 2, simplify 4 upon 9 divide by minus 5 upon 12. Solution, we have 4 upon 5 divide bracket minus 5 upon 12 equal to 4 upon 9 multiply minus 12 upon 5 equal to 4 into minus 12 upon 9 into 5. We see that the numerator 12 and denominator 9 is cancelable by 3. So 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12. So the product of numerator is minus 16 and denominator is 15 equal to minus 16 upon 15. Example 4, divide the sum of 65.12 and 8 by 3 by their difference. solution, we have sum of the given rational numbers divided by the difference. 65 upon 12 plus 8 upon 3 bracket close divide bracket 65 upon 12 minus 8 upon 3. First we do the bracket rule. Take the LCM of 12 and 3. LCM of 12 and 3 is 12. So 12 LCM and 65 plus 3 4 ja 4 8 ja 32. 65 plus 32 upon 12 divide in second bracket 65 minus 32 upon 12 equal to 97 upon 12 divided by 33 upon 12. Now we change the division into multiplication by taking reciprocal. 97 upon 12 multiply 12 upon 33. 12 cancelled one time equal to 97 upon 33. Example 5. By what number should minus 44 upon 9 be divided to get minus 11 upon 3? कह माइनस 45 अपॉन 9 को किस नंबर से डिवाइड करें? ये हमारा कोसेंट माइनस 11 अपॉन 3 आए. Let us require a number be x. Then we write the question as minus 44 upon 9 divide x equal to minus 11 upon 3. Belongs to minus 44 upon 9 into 1 upon x. Yeah, divide x, change into multiplication. 1 upon x equal to minus 11 upon 3. And transposing minus 44 upon 9 in right side, we get 1 upon x equal to minus 11 upon 3 divide, multiply, change into divide, minus 44 upon 9. Belongs to 1 upon x equal to minus 11 upon 3 into minus 9 upon 44. The numerator both are negative. So the product of two negative integer is always positive. So 11 upon 3 multiply by 9 upon 44. Here we see 11 4 ja 44 and 3 ja 9. We get 3 upon 4. Therefore, x equal to 4 upon 3. Hence, minus 44 upon 9 must be divided by 4 upon 3 to get minus 11 upon 3. The answer is 4 upon 3.